Welcome again to Budget with Brian. We're all guilty of impulse buying from time to time. And this is a CL100DZ Makita vacuum cleaner. Cost me $14.99. $14.99. So I bought it, and so let's open up and see what we get inside. And there she blows, so to speak, and it's got the usual blue colour, of course. It is a white one, and the first thing you'll notice is the reason it might have been $14.95 is because it's using the old BL 10.8 volt battery. It didn't come with a battery, but there it goes. There's the suction. Wouldn't have said the suction is huge. There's the dust bag and a HEP filter. So there's the dust collector. And we get it together with a longer nozzle and a shorter nozzle. So if I get the shorter the nozzles out, we'll see how good it is at collecting the dust on my bench. It doesn't stop there. You also get a carpet cleaner. Now, goodness knows, we'll see. So I'm going to put it over here and I'm going to start her up. You have to be powerful, I have to hold the thing back. And there we go. Picking up bits as we go. And so there we are, and if we want to empty it, there's my dust. Put it back, and put the longer nozzle on. And I might have to go putting some dust up there, I don't know. Or, let's put carpet cleaner on. Well, actually, I would have said the carpet cleaner worked better than I expected. So, suction's not great. If you're thinking about using this for any serious work, don't. Don't think that you can clean your car with it because it's portable and it's battery powered. It's not powerful enough for that. Back in the box now. Don't know when I'll get it out again. I'm not entirely sure why Makita thought it was a good idea to make something with so little power to make it that difficult, impossible, useless to use. I just don't know. But, you know, maybe I'll find a use. At the moment, I don't think I will. But thank you for watching this very brief Budget with Brian. And don't forget we're on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. And please, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already a subscriber.